Are you looking for the best dancing water speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best dancing water speakers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Leading Edge Novelty. You should investigate if you're looking for a little more cheap set of water speakers that give a crisp, bright light display. No one would expect the greatest quality sound from a water speaker set that costs less than $25. Though you're on a budget, this speaker is a fantastic compromise because it still produces a strong, clear sound that you'll love. This two-speaker set rather than a single speaker adds value because the twin speaker system always produces a better 360-degree sound. The general design is straightforward and functional. Wherever you choose to plug it in, the tall, sleek body of the speakers will look fantastic. It is, of course, practical because it can fit into small areas. You may get these for a very low price. These speakers are less expensive than the Viartech water speakers, but they have a similar LED light display with for dancing water streams. These LED lights have various hues, including lovely tints of yellow and pink and traditional blue and green. These lights look great in the dark and during the day when they are more subtle and beautiful. This Novelty dancing water speaker system would be a multi-purpose water speaker system for anyone wishing to use water speakers to spice up an evening gathering and relax during the day. Number 2. SoundSOUL. SoundSOUL is a Chinese company based in Shenzhen, which is likely the headquarters of all Chinese audio enterprises. Practically every generic audio brand we came across is based in Shenzhen. The most iconic and well-known products are their wired dancing water speakers. Most affordable. For less than $20, you can have a pair of dancing water speakers, which we think is a wonderful offer. You shouldn't expect anything amazing, but this is a fine set of speakers for the money. Also, if you like wireless speakers, you should know a Bluetooth version of these speakers is available for around $30. The primary speaker, the one with the 3.5mm jack and micro USB port, has an inseparable cable with a micro USB connector on the rear that must link two speakers together. Each speaker is 9.7 inches in height, 3.1 inches in width, and 6.1 inches in depth. They weigh 1.45 pounds. That's about all you can expect from a low-cost pair of speakers. You'll need to play loud music to get the water jets to jump. Bass-heavy music makes water jets react better, they dance more. So, whether listening to hard rock, heavy metal, or dubstep music, the speakers appear wonderful, but you won't get the same results when listening to classical or gentle pop music. Number 3. NAXA Electronics NHS-2009. NAXA Electronics is an electronics company established in the United States, seller. They produce a wide range of items, including televisions, soundbars, tablets, and speakers. NHS-2009, a dancing water tower speaker with Bluetooth connectivity, is presented to you. It costs a little more than other little dancing water speakers, but it's still reasonably priced, about $40. Although NAXA Electronics claims this is a tower, floor-standing speaker, it is too small for one. It's more akin to a PC or tabletop speaker. The kit only includes one speaker. The rear panel has all of the input ports. A DC input, an auxiliary connector, two RCA connections, and an FM antenna are all included. The speaker is 4.6 pounds in weight. It's 21.6 inches tall, 4.3 inches wide, and 4.3 inches deep. As you can see, it's not quite tall enough to be considered a tower speaker, despite how it appears in the photos. Two full-range 3W drivers are housed within the speaker. You can connect it with a Bluetooth-enabled device, phone/tablet/PC, without using a 3.5mm cable, but you can use the cable if you wish. The speaker also has a 3.5mm auxiliary input. During our testing, Bluetooth worked well, the connection was stable, and there was no signal loss. Bluetooth has a 33-foot range. Another fantastic feature of the NHS-2009 is the built-in FM tuner. All of the frequencies between 87.5 and 108 MHz are covered. Number 4. BeFree Sound BFS 33x 2.1. Another generic brand, most likely from China, is BeFree Sound. The speaker system we're about to show you is significantly more powerful and larger than others. This is the best choice for parties because it produces a decent sound that is louder and has greater bass than other 2.0 dancing water speakers, loud sound with more bass than other 2.0 dancing water speakers, and has a wonderful light show with nice ceiling projections. The BFS 33X is more expensive than the preceding speakers, but there's a reason for that. This bundle will set you back around $80. These systems are almost identical, almost certainly manufactured at the same plant. Indeed, we believe that most of the dancing water speakers on the market, and on this list, are produced by the same companies. There are two micro USB ports for connecting the satellites, a DC input, and a 3.5mm input port for connecting non-Bluetooth devices to the speaker or if you don't want to utilize Bluetooth. The subwoofer stands 13 inches tall and is powered by a single 5W driver. The satellites are 10.5 inches tall, with one 3W driver within each satellite speaker. This system is a little more pricey than the others, but we can't claim it's overpriced considering the performance and light show. It provides excellent value for money. Number 5. Aolyty Colorful. Read on if you're seeking a little water speaker. The Aolyty speakers may be tucked away in the nooks and crannies of a desk or bookshelf or even packed and carried on a trip. If you're searching for simple water speakers to set up and enjoy, this is a terrific alternative. They are compatible with almost any device and are quite simple to connect. Because of their small size, they perform particularly well when placed on a desk for usage with a laptop or computer. With dimensions of 9.6 x 6 x 3.2 inches, you can easily pack these speakers into a backpack and utilize them with a friend. Furthermore, your friends will be blown away. The design is extremely functional, but it is also highly appealing. The white exterior contrasts nicely with the silvers and blacks of the interior. They don't have the most volume capacity. Thus they are not suited for huge outdoor settings or major gatherings. However, with a price tag of roughly $25 and personal use, the volume capacity will not be a concern. Furthermore, the two speakers deliver a very clean sound throughout the range, allowing you to appreciate the finer aspects of your music collection. Another great feature of these Aolyty water speakers is that the colorful water displays are completely in rhythm with the music volume.